I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Tuesday, June 28th. Here I want to look at Facebook. Okay, we got a big bounce today in the market after two nasty days like we've had. We're kind of due for an oversold bounce. But by the way, still got a lot of resistance here. So I wouldn't look at this. You got to look at this. Okay, there's a lot of resistance, a lot of supply for the bulls to chew through in order for this to get up to new highs. My sense is that, nobody knows for sure except the liars and the fools, but my sense is that we're going to get, by the way, that comment actually got me booted off of Fast Money several years ago. I stand by it. Anyway, I'm looking at this kind of thing just because of all the resistance here. A lot of resistance there. But anyway, one of the stocks that I wanted to look at, I figured I'd look at it here in the free chart video, is Facebook. If you look at the weekly chart, okay, the 40-week or 200-day moving average is the red line here. Okay, this has actually very few tests of the 200-day moving average here. Okay, we got a couple of them here. We got a nasty one here. I'll bet this was on August 24th. How do I know that? Because everything fell that day. We got these tests here, and now we're back here. Any of these tests, if you bought at the 200-day moving average or even a couple days afterwards, you're still up. This is a weekly chart, by the way. But if we look at the daily chart, you're buying these tags here and just holding, you're still good. Here, wow, the 24th, who knew? You bought here, even again, a couple days, wait 2 or 3 days, and then ultimately you're still higher. You're higher. Wait a few days, you're still higher. So this doesn't quite get down there. But what I would suggest is, if you want to own Facebook, now's your chance, because the other social media stocks are kind of starting to perk up a little bit as well. But this is a stock that you can own. You're late. Nice to buy it at the IPO, but you just keep a stop a little bit below that level. That's an acceptable loss. You start taking this stock. If it pulls back a little bit more, fine. Go ahead and buy some more, because it's still in an uptrend. The stock is trending higher this way. So the stock's in an uptrend. You're buying the stock as close to the 200-day moving average as you can. And then if the stock starts trading below and closing below the 200-day moving average, then well, as Carl Spangler says, that's all she wrote. So anyway, as long as this is staying above the 200-day moving average, I think you're good to go. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. Quite a few trading ideas for you tomorrow, so bring a pen and paper.